So many wig brands these days are coming out with their own version of heat-friendly fiber. We love heat-friendly fiber for a lot of reasons. Of course, everything is a trade-off. Number one, it is less shiny as compared to a regular synthetic. It looks more natural right out of the box. You don't have to wait for that shine to die down. It doesn't look like doll hair. The other thing is, of course, and obviously you can take heat to the style. You can use your heat appliances to tweak the style according to your own taste and preference. I like that ability. I use my hands a lot in styling, and I also think that heat-friendly fiber is a little more responsive to my hand maneuvers as compared to a regular synthetic. Now, some of the downsides about a heat-friendly fiber is that it's a little more delicate, it takes a lot more maintenance, and it doesn't tend to last as long as the regular synthetic. But with proper maintenance, I feel like it can be very comparable to a regular synthetic. For me, I just like the look, the feel, the movement of a heat-friendly fiber. That is my personal preference. So let's take a look at two wigs side by side, same brand, same color, one in a regular synthetic and the other in heat-friendly, so you can see some of those differences. What I'm wearing here is Aesthetica's Mellow, an RH1488 RT8. And this is a non-heat-friendly regular synthetic fiber. It appears very shiny right out of the box. Then we're going to compare that side by side to the brand new Aesthetica's Hollis in that same color, RH1488 RT8, but this one is heat-friendly. So let's take a look at the differences. See you next time on TAZS's Wig Closet.